Welcome to this tutorial. How to clear your Instagram cache and search history. When you search for something on Instagram, it stores your search history in cache. The cache in Instagram helps you to find your searched hashtags quickly. Also, Instagram uses a cache to suggest you similar posts or stories related to your search history. In this video, we will learn to clear the Instagram cache and search history. Follow the steps as shown in this video. Open your Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines of the More menu at the top right. Tap on your activity option from the menu list. Tap on the Recent Searches option. You will find a list of your recent searches. You can delete any individual selected search history by tapping on the cross icon on the right side. Or tap on the Clear All link to remove the Instagram search history in one go. Tap on the Clear All link in the confirmation box. This will clear your Instagram search history. Let's see the steps to clear the Instagram cache. Open Settings on your phone. Tap on the Apps option. Scroll down the list of installed apps to the Instagram app. Tap on the Instagram app. In the App Info page, tap on Storage. Here, you can see how much space a cache is consuming. Tap on the Clear Cache button, and this will remove the cache. You may have to log in again on your Instagram account. Wasn't that easy? Have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel.